1. 1932 Ford Roadster. Price $17,000, located Huntingtown, Maryland. The 1932 Ford Roadster is an iconic American hot rod that combines timeless vintage styling with modern performance upgrades. This custom-built rat rod features a striking white exterior complemented by a rich burgundy interior, creating a bold contrast that immediately captures attention. Power comes from a Chevrolet 400 V8 engine equipped with a 471 supercharger and custom Jim Ingalls Weber carburetors with velocity stacks, delivering impressive performance and an unforgettable engine sound. The automatic TH400 transmission provides smooth gear changes, while the Ford 9-inch rear axle and 4-wheel disc brakes offer dependable handling and stopping power. The body began as a 1932 Ford truck before being professionally converted into a unique roadster finished in hot rod white with a copper firewall and matching wheels. Custom headers, an MSD ignition system with boost control, fresh fluids, and a new battery ensure reliable operation. With only 300 miles driven since completion, this clean title classic starts easily, runs exceptionally well, and is ready for cruises, weekend events, or any collector seeking a distinctive custom-built street machine. 2. 1932 Ford Coupe. Price $47,000, located Lebanon, Pennsylvania. The 1932 Ford Coupe is a beautifully crafted hot rod that blends classic styling with dependable modern performance. Finished in sleek black with a matching black interior, this fiberglass-bodied coupe presents a clean and aggressive appearance that stands out at any cruise night or car show. Under the hood is a reliable ZZR 350 crate engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, providing strong acceleration and comfortable highway driving. Four-wheel disc brakes deliver confident stopping power, while the air conditioning system adds comfort during warm weather. The vehicle has only 3,613 miles, reflecting limited use since completion. Additional features include power windows, a power driver's seat, and an original hood that accompanies the newly installed replacement hood, which only requires paint to complete the appearance. The clean title and excellent overall condition make this classic hot rod an attractive choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Built to be enjoyed rather than stored away, this 1932 Ford Coupe offers timeless design, dependable mechanical components, and impressive craftsmanship for anyone seeking a premium custom street rod. 3. 1923 Ford T-Bucket. Price $15,000, located Peterstown, West Virginia. The 1923 Ford T-Bucket is a lightweight classic hot rod that delivers exciting performance with unmistakable vintage character. Finished in bright yellow with a black interior, this custom-built roadster captures attention wherever it goes. Power comes from a dependable Chevrolet 307 V8 engine connected to a turbo 350 automatic transmission, creating a smooth yet spirited driving experience. The vehicle has approximately 1,500 miles and has been completely refreshed, with nearly every major component restored or rebuilt to ensure reliable performance. According to the seller, the car runs and drives exceptionally well, making it ready for weekend cruises, local car shows, and sunny afternoon drives without requiring immediate repairs. The clean title adds confidence for prospective buyers, while its lightweight construction provides quick acceleration and responsive handling. This T-Bucket represents the traditional American hot rod style with its exposed wheels, compact body, and powerful V8 engine. It offers an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts looking to own an affordable custom classic that combines nostalgic design, dependable mechanics, and enjoyable open-air driving in one exciting package. 4. 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe Pro Street. Price $40,000, located Street Johnsville, New York. The 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe Pro Street is a professionally built custom hot rod designed to deliver outstanding performance while maintaining the unmistakable appearance of a legendary American classic. Finished in elegant black inside and out, this coupe has traveled only 4,166 miles and remains in excellent condition. Built by Street Rods by Michael in Summersville, Tennessee, the vehicle features an aluminum 434 cubic inch small block V8 engine paired with an overdrive automatic transmission for strong acceleration and relaxed highway cruising. Modern conveniences include power windows, air conditioning, and numerous custom upgrades that enhance both comfort and drivability. Four-wheel performance components provide confident handling, while the aggressive Pro Street stance gives the coupe an unforgettable road presence. The seller notes that the car has seen very little use due to personal circumstances, making it an excellent opportunity for a new owner to enjoy this remarkable machine. Combining professional craftsmanship, powerful performance, premium equipment, and timeless styling, this 1934 Ford Coupe is well suited for collectors, enthusiasts, and anyone seeking a high-quality custom street rod. 5. 1935 Dodge Hot Rod. Price $16,000, located Gardner, Massachusetts. The 1935 Dodge Hot Rod offers classic American styling combined with dependable V8 performance in an affordable custom package. Finished in bright orange with a black interior, this steel-bodied hot rod has an eye-catching appearance that makes it stand out at local cruise nights and weekend car gatherings. Under the hood is a Chevrolet 350 V8 engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, providing strong power and reliable operation for enjoyable street driving. A durable 9-inch rear axle helps transfer power efficiently while contributing to dependable performance. According to the seller, the car runs and drives exceptionally well, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts who want a classic they can enjoy immediately. Its solid steel body provides authentic vintage character, while the custom mechanical upgrades offer improved reliability compared to many original classics. This 1935 Dodge is ideal for anyone looking to experience the excitement of traditional hot rodding without undertaking a lengthy restoration project. It combines timeless styling, proven performance, and everyday drivability into a classic vehicle that is ready for its next adventure. 6. 1932 Ford Roadster. Price $35,000, located Boyertown, Pennsylvania. The 1932 Ford Roadster is a professionally assembled custom hot rod that combines timeless American styling with dependable performance and premium aftermarket components. Finished in an attractive brown exterior, this Brookville-bodied roadster rides on a high-quality SoCal chassis engineered for excellent stability and driving comfort. Power comes from a proven Chevrolet 350 small-block V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, delivering reliable performance for cruising or weekend events. The suspension features a fully chromed front end, while four-wheel disc brakes provide excellent stopping power and increased driver confidence. A Ford 9-inch rear axle enhances durability, making this classic capable of handling spirited driving with ease. Additional highlights include a chopped windshield, removable lift-off top, staggered ET-Mag wheels measuring 16 inches in front and 18 inches in the rear, and premium Excelsior tires that perfectly complement its vintage appearance. With a clear title and turnkey condition, this roadster starts easily, drives smoothly, and requires nothing before enjoying the open road. It is an outstanding choice for collectors seeking authentic hot rod character with dependable modern mechanical upgrades. 7. 1945 Ford Truck Custom. Price $26,000, located Commerce Township, Michigan. The 1945 Ford Custom Truck is a spectacular street machine that combines classic pickup styling with powerful hot rod engineering. Built using a 1945 Ford cab and a 1952 pickup bed, this unique custom features a stunning white and blue flame paint scheme that attracts attention wherever it appears. Under the hood is a Chevrolet 350 V8 engine equipped with a WEON 671 supercharger and paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, delivering exceptional power and unmistakable performance. Additional upgrades include a Ford 8-inch rear axle, Plymouth Volare independent front suspension, aluminum wheels with chrome spinners, a B&M megashifter, aftermarket gauges, a 20-gallon fuel cell, and a modern cooling system with a high-capacity electric fan. New carpet, fresh windshield glass, seat belts, and numerous mechanical improvements ensure enjoyable driving. The Clean Michigan title provides additional confidence for buyers. This professionally customized pickup blends vintage charm with modern reliability, creating a memorable vehicle that resembles a life-sized Hot Wheels truck and offers outstanding performance for cruising, exhibitions, and classic vehicle events. 8. 1927 Street Rod 5-Window Coupe. Price $20,000, located Pittsfield, Pennsylvania. The 1927 Street Rod 5-Window Coupe is a beautifully maintained all-steel custom hot rod designed for enthusiasts who appreciate classic craftsmanship and dependable performance. Unlike many reproductions, this coupe features an authentic steel body rather than fiberglass, giving it genuine vintage character and lasting durability. The vehicle has been carefully maintained and recently upgraded with a new carburetor and fresh spark plugs to ensure reliable operation. According to the seller, the engine runs extremely well, providing smooth performance whether cruising through town or attending local car shows. Its aggressive stance is enhanced by massive 33 by 15 by 19 Mickey Thompson rear tires mounted on attractive American racing wheels, giving the coupe an unmistakable hot rod appearance. The solid construction, excellent condition, and eye-catching design make this vehicle stand out among traditional street rods. Finished to a high standard and described as extremely clean, this coupe offers collectors an opportunity to own a distinctive custom classic without requiring immediate restoration. It delivers timeless styling, dependable mechanical performance, and impressive road presence in one affordable and well-built package. 9. 1923 Ford C-Cab. Price $15,000, located Amsterdam, New York. The 1923 Ford C-Cab is a charming vintage classic that captures the spirit of early American motoring while offering enjoyable driving for collectors and enthusiasts. Finished in an elegant burgundy exterior with a matching burgundy interior, this unique vehicle presents a coordinated appearance that highlights its timeless design. Equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a gasoline engine, it provides a more comfortable driving experience than many original antique vehicles. The odometer shows approximately 1,500 miles, indicating limited use and careful ownership. Having had only 2 owners, this classic has been well preserved throughout its life and is reported as fully paid off. Its compact proportions, distinctive cab design, and nostalgic styling make it a standout attraction at vintage vehicle shows, parades, and weekend gatherings. Whether displayed as part of a private collection or driven on special occasions, the 1923 Ford C-Cab offers authentic early Ford heritage with practical usability. This rare classic represents an excellent opportunity for buyers seeking an eye-catching antique vehicle that combines historical appeal, enjoyable driving, and collectible value. 10. 1931 Ford Model A Coupe. Price $21,500, located Fulton, New York. The 1931 Ford Model A Coupe is a classic American hot rod that successfully combines pre-war styling with dependable modern performance. Finished in black with a tan interior, this custom-built coupe delivers timeless looks while incorporating numerous mechanical upgrades for improved reliability and driving enjoyment. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, creating a strong and responsive driving experience. A chrome Ford 9-inch rear axle, dropped chrome front axle, boxed frame, and 4-wheel disc brakes contribute to excellent handling and dependable stopping power. Safety features include a roll cage and seatbelts, while the canvas top provides protection during changing weather conditions. The steel 1932 style grille adds a distinctive custom appearance that complements its aggressive hot rod personality. With approximately 123,456 miles displayed, this unique coupe has been built for driving rather than simply displaying. Described as a grown man's go-kart, it offers exhilarating performance, unmistakable character, and classic American craftsmanship for enthusiasts seeking a memorable vintage street machine ready to enjoy on every weekend adventure. 11. 1929 Ford Roadster Pickup. Price $41,500, located Louisville, Ohio. The 1929 Ford Roadster Pickup is a professionally constructed show-quality hot rod that combines exceptional craftsmanship with outstanding performance. Finished in brilliant candy apple red, this eye-catching pickup features a genuine Brookville steel body complemented by fiberglass fenders and a 3-piece hood. Under the hood is a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8 engine equipped with a GM 471 supercharger, Edelbrock intake manifold, and 650 carburetor, producing impressive performance and an unmistakable supercharged appearance. The automatic transmission includes a B&M shift kit and a high-stall converter for smooth, responsive operation. A professionally engineered height suspension system with coil-over front suspension and 4-bar rear setup delivers excellent ride quality and handling. Every detail of the polished chassis reflects show-quality workmanship, making the underside just as impressive as the exterior. Titled as a specially constructed vehicle, this custom pickup is fully prepared for shows, cruises, or collector ownership. Combining premium components, flawless presentation, dependable mechanical performance, and unforgettable styling, this remarkable roadster pickup is ready to impress wherever it travels. 12. 1930 Ford 5-Window Coupe. Price $30,000, located Torrington, Connecticut. The 1930 Ford 5-Window Coupe, affectionately known as Dorothy, is a beautifully customized chop-top street rod built to deliver impressive performance and unmistakable personality. Although styled as a 1930 classic, this custom coupe was professionally constructed in 2012 using a fiberglass body with outstanding attention to detail. Power comes from a highly modified Chevrolet 350 V8 engine featuring performance camshafts, upgraded pistons, Edelbrock intake, Holley carburetor, MSD ignition, aluminum radiator, and custom machine gun-style headers. A rebuilt GM700 R4 automatic transmission sends power to a durable rear axle, creating a lively driving experience estimated at over 300 horsepower. Inside, the diamond-tufted black leather interior with red stitching includes power windows, Bluetooth audio, premium gauges, and a tilt steering wheel for modern comfort. The exterior features custom House of Collar paint with distinctive graphics that make this coupe impossible to overlook. Dorothy starts, idles, and drives well while offering classic hot rod excitement, dependable engineering, and unique handcrafted style that makes every cruise an unforgettable experience. 13. 1931 Ford Model A. Price $32,500, located Delran Township, New Jersey. The 1931 Ford Model A coupe is a beautifully restored all-steel hot rod that combines authentic vintage styling with impressive modern performance. Finished in elegant burgundy with a comfortable gray interior, this custom classic presents a timeless appearance while incorporating numerous upgrades for enjoyable everyday driving. Power is supplied by a supercharged Chevrolet 350 V8 engine connected to a turbo 350 automatic transmission, producing strong acceleration and dependable reliability. The drivetrain also features a positive traction rear axle, four-wheel disc brakes, new tires, and new headlights that improve both safety and performance. Modern conveniences include power windows and a remote-controlled stereo system, making this vintage coupe comfortable for extended weekend cruises or local car shows. According to the seller, the vehicle has been completely inspected and refreshed, ensuring it is fully sorted and ready to drive immediately. Showing approximately 12,345 miles, this turnkey classic requires no additional work before enjoying the road. Combining professional craftsmanship, powerful performance, reliable mechanical components, and iconic American styling, this 1931 Ford Model A coupe is an exceptional addition to any classic car collection.